In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Wix URL for your site, and we'll aim to do it together in about 5 minutes or so. This process is pretty straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, making sure you feel confident by the end. First, let's start by logging into your Wix account. If you aren't familiar with how to access your site's dashboard, don't worry, it's quite easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed automatically to your main account page, and from there, you should see a list of your websites. Select the site you wish to make changes to, and click on Manage Site. This action will take you straight to the dashboard, where you can control all the details of your website. Now, navigating through the dashboard, you'll want to locate the account settings. This is the hub where you can manage all your basic details, settings for your site, and other significant aspects of your Wix account. In this section, you're going to look specifically for the option related to your login information. This is where you'll find any credentials or personal data associated with your account, and even some areas directly tied to how users find your website online. As you delve into the account settings, keep an eye out for something labeled Site URL Prefix. The URL prefix is essentially the part of the web address that allows your audience to pinpoint your specific site, right after the www portion. This is crucial for branding and for ensuring that your site's visitors have no trouble finding you. Once you've located the site